Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AMC Plus on LG TV. Quick fix step by step clearly. To activate AMC Plus on your LG TV, begin by ensuring your TV is connected to the internet. Turn on your LG TV using the remote control. Navigate to the LG Content Store from the home screen. Use the search function to find the AMC Plus app. Select the AMC Plus app from the search results. Click on the Install button to download the app. Once installed, open the AMC Plus app from your Apps menu. You will see options to log in or start a free trial. If you already have an account, select the Login option. Enter your email and password associated with your AMC Plus account. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After logging in, you may need to activate your device. A code will appear on your screen. Note this code down. Now, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit the activation website provided on your TV screen. Enter the code you noted down into the required field. Click on the Activate button to complete the activation process. Return to your LG TV where the AMC Plus app will refresh. You should now have access to all the content available on AMC Plus. Enjoy your streaming experience on AMC Plus with LG TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.